Okay, so hello everybody. So my name is Mrs. Payne. I'm the new head of department for geography, and I'm going to spend some time just going through with you the GCSE geography course so you can have a look at what it involves. So this is a really exciting and relevant course. It's about the world today. It studies physical and human themes, and it looks at the link between them and how humans can influence the physical world. You're going to travel the world from your classroom. You're going to explore different case studies from all around the world. You are going to understand your role in society. You're going to be able to do that by considering different viewpoints, different values, and different attitudes. And we want you to become a responsible and active participant in our planet. So it's there for us to enjoy in the future. So underneath, you can see we have got a list of topics here that you would cover in your GCSE geography course, and you'll be quite familiar with them from your Key Stage 3 curriculum. So if you've enjoyed geography so far, you will enjoy GCSE geography. So we have natural hazards where we look at volcanoes and earthquakes and hurricanes. We look at the rainforest and the deserts. We look at rivers and coasts. We also go on to have a look at slums in India. We look at Plymouth, water, energy and food, and global shifts in economic power. Okay, so they're the range of topics that we cover, both physical, both human, and how they interlink. And we are going to have a look all around the world at these in action. So also part of your course is fieldwork. So you'll be going on at least 2 field trips whilst you study your GCSE geography course. So a really exciting opportunity to get out of the school, get out of the classroom and see what we have been learning in the real environment. Okay, so these are 1-day trips and they are compulsory. They are essential because in one of your papers you will be examined on your fieldwork, and I'll talk about that in a second. So one of them will be going to the coast and the other one will be going to Plymouth to look at the urban changes that are happening in Plymouth. Okay, so 2 really exciting opportunities to see the world in action as we learn about them in the classroom. This is how you will be examined for GCSE geography. You will have 3 papers. So paper 1 is living with the physical environment, and that is your physical paper where we look at volcanoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, rainforests, deserts, rivers and coasts. That is a written exam and it is 1 hour 30 minutes, makes up 35% of your final grade. Paper 2, challenges in the human environment, so your human paper. Urban issues and challenges, so issues in built up areas. So we look at Mumbai in India and the slums, and we look at Plymouth for the UK. The changing economic world, so those global shifts in economic power. We also look at the challenge of resource management, so water, energy and food. And will there be enough food to feed the world? What are we doing to increase our food supply? And again, that's a written exam, 1 hour 30 minutes, 35% of your final grade. And then your third paper is what we call geographical applications. So that's where you will be assessed on your fieldwork. So you might get questions like, what methods did you use? Okay, how did you present your data? What were your findings? What were some of the limitations to your study? Okay, and then the second part of paper 3 is issue evaluation. So 12 weeks before your exam, you'll be given a booklet, and in the past, that booklet has been focused on tropical rainforests, or it's been focused on water management, or perhaps urban planning for slum settlements. And you will have 12 weeks to look through it, to look at the graphs, to look at the paragraphs, to look at the photos, whatever it is that's in there. And then when you go into the exam, you'll be given a fresh new booklet and you will be asked questions about it. And then you normally have a decision-making activity at the end. So how should we manage the tropical rainforest, or what are the issues with managing the tropical rainforest in this way? And you can use that booklet to inform you of your choice. And again, that's a written exam, 1 hour 15, and it is 30% of your grade. So all of them are assessed through written exams. For paper 1 and 2, the longest question we have is a 9 marker, and then you would have 3 additional marks for spelling, punctuation and grammar. Whereas paper 3, with that issue evaluation, it's a slightly longer question, but you've got your booklet to help you to support any ideas that you are going to write about. So that's how you're examined. So most importantly, why do geography? Where is geography going to take you? So geographers are among the most employable university graduates that leave university. And a lot of that is because it's such a broad subject. So it opens up options for you in your future. The skills, the knowledge that we do in geography link to a range of other subjects, and employers and universities see geography as a robust academic subject, and it's rich in skills, rich in knowledge, and in understanding of our world, understanding of people, knowledge of how our world has been formed, knowledge about why countries are at the level of development they're at, and skills, teamwork, analysing sources, interpreting sources. These are all skills that you can use in many other subjects and many jobs. So at the bottom here, I've got a range of jobs that you could do by studying geography. So, and you probably hopefully have seen these through your careers lessons that you've done this week. So you could go on to be an outdoor activity instructor, you could be an urban planner, a tourism manager, you could be a conservationist, an aid worker, a government advisor, a park ranger, you could work as cabin crew traveling the world, you could be a travel photographer and writer. So that is just a few of the jobs that you could go into. But geography goes into so many different jobs, not necessarily ones that are just specifically for geography. So if you need some extra information on that, you've got that PDF that was given to you during your careers lesson, which has got a huge list of geography jobs in a variety of different sectors. And you can always come and speak to myself, so Mrs. Payne, or any members of the geography department. Okay, we're all really happy to talk, all happy to talk to you about the course and about where geography can take you in the future. Okay, so please speak to us. And if you really enjoy geography at the moment, you will definitely enjoy geography going into GCSE. Okay, so have a really good think, and I hope to see lots of you taking up GCSE geography this year. Thank you for listening. Okay, and I'll see you soon.